Welcome to this Skill Builder at-a-glance tutorial on descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics help us make sense of data by summarising its characteristics. Their purpose is to make large volumes of data easier to understand and interpret. There are three main types: measures of central tendency, variability, and distribution. Measures of central tendency help identify the typical value in a data set. The mean is the average, calculated by adding all the numbers and dividing by how many there are. The median is the middle value when the data are ordered, and the mode is the value that appears most often. In this example, 2, 4, 4, and 6, all three of these values turn out to be 4. Measures of variability tell us how spread out the data is. The range is the difference between the highest and lowest values. Variance looks at the average of squared differences from the mean, giving us a sense of overall spread. The standard deviation is the square root of the variance. So smaller standard deviation means data points are close to the mean, while a larger standard deviation indicates more spread. So why do descriptive statistics matter? They allow us to summarise complex data quickly and clearly. This supports decision-making, whether in academic research, business, or everyday life. And they provide the groundwork for deeper analysis, like inferential statistics, including t-tests and ANOVA. To summarise, descriptive statistics help us simplify and understand data. They focus on two main ideas: central tendency, which shows the typical value, and variability, which shows how spread out the data is. They're a crucial first step before moving on to more advanced analysis. In short, clear data means better decisions. For further academic skills resources or to book an appointment with an SAS advisor, please go to kent.ac.uk/SAS or email us at sas@kent.ac.uk. Thank you.